Stephen Driscoll, police officer, New York City Police Department. Mark Ellis, police officer, New York City Police Department. Robert Fazio, police officer, New York City Police Department. Donald Foreman, police officer, Port Authority. Clyde Fraser Jr., crime specialist, New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. Greg Froner, police officer, Port Authority, New York, New Jersey. Rodney Gillis, sergeant, New York City Police Department. Thomas Edward Gorman, police officer, Port Authority, New Jersey, New York. Lest we forget, Richard Jerry Guardano, refuge manager, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Leonard Hatton, special agent, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Uhuru Houston, police officer, Port Authority. George Howard, police officer, Port Authority. Stephen Husko, police officer, Port Authority. Anthony Infante Jr., inspector, Port Authority. Paul Jurgens, police officer, Port Authority. Thomas Jurgens, senior court officer, New York State Corpus of Court Administration. Robert Coughlin, sergeant, police officer, Port Authority. Ronald Cloper, police officer, New York City Police Department. Thomas Langone, police officer, New York City Police Department. Paul Laschini, police officer, Port Authority. James Leahy, police officer, New York City Police Department. David Lamonge, police officer, Port Authority. John Lennon, police officer, Port Authority. J.D. Levy, police officer, Port Authority. James Lynch, police officer, Port Authority. Kathy N. Mazza, captain, Port Authority. Brian McDonald, police officer, New York City Police Department. Donald McIntyre, police officer, Port Authority. For those who forget, Walter McNeil, police officer, Port Authority. Craig Miller, Master Special Agent, U.S. Secret Service. Charles M. Millis, Director of Investigations, New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. Richard Moore, Revenue Crimes, New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. Fred Marone, Superintendent, Port Authority. The names of the fallen police officers and law enforcement officers of 9/11. Jerome Navis, police officer, Port Authority. James Nelson, police officer, Port Authority. Alphonse Niedermeyer, police officer, Port Authority. Salvatore Parker Parasso, Revenue Crimes, New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. James Parham, police officer, Port Authority. Lest we forget, John Perry, police officer, New York City Police Department. Glenn Pettit, police officer, New York City Police Department. Dominic Pizzullo, police officer, Port Authority. William Pullman, assistant deputy, New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. Bruce Reynolds, police officer, Port Authority. Claude Richards, detective, New York City Police Department. Richard Rodriguez, police officer, Port Authority. Greg Romero, chief, Port Authority. Timothy Roy, sergeant, New York City Police Department.
Was it just sort of like,
Just so we don't get the story straight, all right? We don't want to get it twisted over here. John Scala, police officer, Port Authority. Morris Smith, police officer, New York City Police Department. Wyland Stewart Jr., police officer, Port Authority. Ramon Suarez, police officer, New York City Police Department. Paul Tolte, police officer, New York City Police Department. William Thompson, captain, New York State Office of Court Administration. Kenneth Tejan, police officer, Port Authority. Santos Valentin Jr., police officer, New York City Police Department. Joseph Vincente Vigiano, detective, New York City Police Department. Mitchell Wallace, senior court officer, New York State Office of Court Administration. Lest we forget, Walter Weaver, police officer, New York City Police Department. Nathaniel Webb, police officer, Port Authority. Michael Woolley, police officer, Port Authority, and the officers that have died since 9/11. Lest we forget.
we didn't steal your...
Detective Joseph Vigiano, September 11th. Police officer Mike Ellis, September 11th. Police officer Brian McDonald, September 11th. Police officer Paul Tolte, September 11th. Detective Rodney Andrews. Detective Patrick Rafferty. Police officer Francis Hennessy. Detective James Zadroga. Detective Russell Timoshenko. Detective Police Officer Madeline Carlo. Sergeant Edward Thompson. Police Officer Gary Mossberg. Lieutenant Gerald Rex. Police Officer Robert Zane. Lieutenant Carlos Ascazio. These are the officers that have passed since 9/11. St. Michael defend us in battle. Lest we forget, because these officers' family members and 9/11 first responders weren't even welcomed at the 10th anniversary. And you know who else wasn't even welcomed at the 10th anniversary? God wasn't even welcomed at the 10th anniversary. You know who called that shot? Bloomberg. Bloomberg didn't want any religious ceremony. So if God wasn't welcomed here, and the first responders weren't welcomed here, and believe me, I wasn't welcomed here because I was here on 9/11 and I missed the North Tower from a block away. My firehouse was right down the block. I was an auxiliary police officer for the 6th One and the 17th Precinct, so I know what I'm talking about. When we forget our own and we forget that the very people we ran into buildings to save could have been these people right here, lest we forget. Lest we forget. Lest we forget. Because once we forget again, it'll happen again. Wake up. St. Michael's calling. Because this is holy ground right here. This is holy ground. And God is watching. St. Michael is watching. Wake up or else.
Yo.